Hello and welcome to this video for announcing a direct link between Revit and Etabs. We will discuss the needs beyond making such tool. I believe this would make structural engineers' life easier and encourage them to better optimize cost solutions for structure. We start with the Dynamo project coming here from save the project before. So we are opening this file, Dynamo file. It would take some time to open. Well, so we have this structure. It's parametrically designed and controlled. So whatever you need to change here, you can change. Now, to make all these nodes or to change the wireframe structure into a native structure framing Revit elements, we need to choose the structure framing type. So I'll choose, for example, the 60.3 by 4 and should work in model the structure inside of Revit. It will take a while to regenerate all of these pipes inside the model. So if we go to the 3D view and would like to rotate a little about the structure, it would be something like that. All elements are there, and also we need to explore how these things are parametrically controlled, but after exporting to Etabs. So now we will go to the tool that is transfer the model into Etabs, which initialize Etabs at the moment and transfer the full information into Etabs model, so the instruction engineers can do their calculations and design iterations using sections and etc. Okay, so the structure has came, all the nodes are correct, they are getting very much in shape and in size, locations are correct, the also hinges or supports are there. One more thing, if you would like to make this structure more in module count, if you'd like to increase the module count, the module sizes, because what you get is not economically correct as steel weight. So you can back in Revit, you can come in here into the Dynamo, and let's examine how Dynamo can make this works like charm. So we have all of this curve is controlled by points, so if we change some of these points a little, it it will affect the overall geometry. So just in case you have a change in design or such, you don't have to make every single element back again and edit it. Great time, performance and efficiency. Okay, so let's get it back into 3600. Let's say the design didn't change of the shape of the structure from the architecture design, and let's examine another solution for the structure engineer to better give more strength for the elements. Maybe he's increasing the number of modules here, so if he increased it to 33, all of these changes are automatically embedded inside the solution. We would like to see a change here, and also the column position has changed because the column position is dependent on the size of the modules count. Also, the truss ordinate, if we'd like to make this truss wider, if we make it more in depth, we can change it to something like 480, regenerating, because it's reflecting these changes in the Revit model document itself. You will see this change here. If we make it 600, for example, we should see this reflected on the geometry and on the Revit, on the dynamo representation. Great. Also, if the designer is going to change this column position up and back and forth here, so let's just start with the height first. So the height, we can make the height 3600 as he wishes. And also the column position, he can make the column position at 18, the 18th position of the modules. And also he can control all this structure, the number of modules here, the number of bracing, but we would be enough for that because it is not for dynamo. It is not for dynamo. So let's just minimize dynamo, and this is what we got as a result. And we can send the model back again into Etabs, so we can examine different situation, different criterias. So here we have Etab model minimized, and we have another one in here. So we have two solutions. We have two solutions here, and this is bigger, and the number of ordinates has changed as we illustrated previously. He can change now the design, and he can check on his sections and just choose the better result. This encourages the structural engineers to make their life better and optimize cost solutions.